Hello and welcome back, my beautiful people. This video will contain of two parts. Firstly, we want to go to Instagram, upgrade our bot, and go to the top post and steal this post and get the image of it. So you can render it with Photoshop, etc., make your own post and repost it because your follower deserves some content. And the second part of this video will be a FAQ because I got lately some comments under my videos where a little adjustment of the bot would help, and this I will show you. So first, we want to start with getting this post. Therefore, we need to understand how we download the image. Let's open Chrome. Like this. Then we go to Unsplash. Unsplash is a site with many good pictures which you can use for free. And there we see how we can download one. This is pretty beautiful. I like the car. And now, as usual, we make the inspect. We need a link where we want to go. Make this too responsive because I had some fun with a mobile version. And then we click on the on this. And as you see, it bigger, of course, and get it smaller. We see here a source set. A source set always depends on the image size, but we want to simply get the image. Therefore, we go to the image and the attribute source. Copy this link and put it in here. Then we have a link. As you see, it's only a site with the picture in here. So you see where the normal site stores the pictures and we get it. Now, this one's pretty simple. We go into our terminal, hit the pip install URL lib 3. I already did it. So my requirements are already satisfied. And this is the only package we need to go. Then we import the URL lib dot request. And we need simple one line of code. We make the URL lib dot request dot URL retrieve. Here you have two parameters. The first one is the link where we want to get the photo from. Hit the link in, I copied it. And the second one is where you want to store it. So you can make a path in some different folders. You can make a subfolder with your images. Yeah, maybe we do it. Make a new folder in here. This is a good one with posts. And in there, make here posts slash unsplash dot, and make sure you have the ending dot JPEG. Save it, run this one, and let's have a look what's happening. And yeah, this took a while. And now we have a photo in here. And as we see, ooh, high quality photo. Pretty beautiful. Yeah. And this is the way we want to use it with our Instagram bot. So let's get to our Instagram bot. First, of course, we need to import the same library as this time. Import URL lib dot requests. And now we can get rid of the sharing of love. We already did this in the previous video. If you haven't checked out the previous video, make sure I will link you. And as always, I will link you my GitHub in the description of the video. I have for the whole series a single repository where I put in the Instagram bot files, and the ending in here is this will be the first video of the series, the second, the third, the fourth, and this will always be the finished version of the code. Like the point where we are at the end of the video, this thing I will upload for you. So you can check if you didn't get it in the video, check through the code, see what's happening if you change some parameters. Yeah, have fun with the code. It's always linked. Now, we need steal those posts. Put in a self. And yeah, we need an origin hashtag because I want to go for a hashtag. In there, get top post and steal it. You can, of course, go somewhere else. You can copy it from previous methods. We had, like, I think the most is covered in here. We can go to some specific user, open their picture, steal their post. But I think in hashtags, the top posts are the best with the highest resolutions, so we steal them. Oh yeah, man, I feel like a hacker in here. So we sleep firstly, then self.browser.get, and now we need a URL. As always, I will copy it from this one because I had so many typos last time. And now Instagram.com, explore text, and here is your tag. First, let's have a look what's happening to have in mind where we are, and we can have a look. Bot.steal those posts, and of course we go to a new cool hashtag I found, dank memes. Everybody loves memes, and if you repost memes, it doesn't matter because, yeah, if you steal a picture of a person and uploaded it, this is pretty shitty, but if you take a meme, repost it, everybody loves memes. More people will see it, more people will be happy. That's beautiful. Yeah, get rid of this. And now we redirect to the site and are at dank memes. Yeah. Under one of the last videos, I saw that the previous nine posts are the top posts and then the newest post coming. But in this video, I think we go for the top post because we want to repost the top post to get the best like and the most comments and so on and so on. And here, there's only a div with class. Over there's another div on the same picture, and there's the picture stored in there. And as you see, we hover through the link in here, we see this is the picture of this one. So we need to get the class of this picture, ff whatever, and then we make an image array, image list. Don't get confused with arrays, I always mean lists, but yeah, in other programming languages they are called arrays, but this means the same for me. Self.wait for objects by CSS selector, and then we put in our class. And as we want to get the best one, we go to position 0. And what we want to get? We want to get the link of the source. So how do we get it? The source is an attribute. We make .getAttribute underscore attribute. And in there we put in our source. And image underscore source. We need, of course, a variable to put it to. And yeah, that's what we want. Then we sleep a second. Yep. And now we make the same call as I mentioned in how we download the post. Then we make the URL lib.request.url retrieve. And now we put in the image source. We want to download the image source and we want to stare it in post underscore. Then I put in the hashtag. Here I will put in the hashtag to have some kind of pattern in here, how I store it. You can, for everything, make a new name, how you want to store it. Yeah, you can rename it. But I think I will name it after the hashtag because I will copy one, then maybe upload it, and then do it once more. So, and of course, we want the post in here and we make it into our posts folder. So like this. We already called the function, so let's check it out. Yeah, it's redirecting. And now nothing interesting will happen in our browser. We will have a look in here. And there is a new JPEG. And we have the meme in here. This one is pretty shitty. Get rid of this. But this is the one how you get immediately the source, how it's originally stored. But this will always be the worst resolution you will find. So we go to the source set now. And then we print the source set to see how we can go through it. And then we make an exit 0. to don't execute the other parts. Get this one running. And now we have something separated by a comma. That's cool. So we can simply split our image source at the comma is equal to image source dot split at a comma. And now we simply want to get the last one. So image source, we will always override this variable, is equal to image source. When we split it, this is a list. And at the comma, so we will have our first entry will be this link with the 150V, then the next one with the 240V. This will be separate entries in the list. So we will have a look at the last one. The last one we will get with the index of -1. Let's have a look. And now, if you have a look, we simply have the last link with the 640V. But now, we don't want to have the 640V, we want to simply only have the link. Therefore, we can split it once more. Image source dot split, because we now have a single entry. This isn't a list anymore. We went through, took in one index, so we have a new string. And now we split it, have empty brackets in here, because this will split it at spacing. And then we want to get the link. So it's the first one. Put it at a 0. And yeah, give it to the image source as well. And now, yeah, we will have the link only, get rid of this exit 0, make a time.sleep, and there we need nothing to change. So, and this will be the highest resolution of the picture which we want to get, because this is the highest resolution stored in the source set. And yeah, so your memes will look beautiful. Really beautiful.
Nice.
And now it should be redirecting again, and it's doing it. Yep. There will be nothing interesting. We'll get a new image. Let's have a look. Yeah, finally it's doing something. And now you see we have the whole picture. This one is another one. It's another top comment, but yeah, you get the highest resolution. And now we are at part 2 of this video. We will answer the most common questions. The first one was, you don't want to generate random comments on, instead you want to make some custom comments. And this is pretty easy. We had the function follow like of post, no, not like this, comment post. Therefore we had this array with random comments. And the first thing was only to get everything in here and put it to the random comment. Like this is everything not necessary if you want to do a custom comment, and can put in this list your custom comment. Like, nice one, like this. And yeah, it's easy as that. Then we get the post hashtags. Maybe we put in a time.sleep in here. And yeah, simple as that. We can let it run once to see that it's working. Yeah, to make it not that long, we have one lifestyle, programming humor. We didn't change the amount of variables, but you could also get rid of the first variable in here, because you don't need a hashtag where you want to copy from. You only need a hashtag where you want to post it to. Get rid of this pop-up. Then redirect to the hashtag we want to go to. Wow, my internet connection is pretty speedy. And then he puts in the nice one and he posts it. Simple as that. You only need to change the list. And now, next question was, can we make it to execute it automatically after 1 hour again? And of course we can do it. Therefore, you can make a while loop, while true. This one will be executed every time. Therefore, make sure if you tap everything once in, I comment almost everything out, because I want to show you how the specific function works in this video. But if you comment everything in again, if you get rid of this hashtag in front of it, then it's working. And he asked me to put a timeout.sleep of 1 hour in there. And therefore, you can simply make a time.sleep of 60x60. You can read it better if like this because you have 60 seconds and 60 minutes of 60 seconds. And the last thing was, if your bot crashes, can you make it automatically to run it again after it crashes and make a new instance of Google Chrome, log in new again, and so on and so on? Yeah, we can do it. And therefore, we make a new while loop out of the while and make it true again here. And while this is true, we're trying to execute this one. What this means, a try, this is a try catch, which means we're trying to execute everything in here. And if we get an exception, like a timeout exception, etc., we will go in the except. And now, what should happen? If we catch the exception in here, then we can do something with it. And as we have a loop, we will do a continue. Simple as that. So every time we get an error, like a timeout, etc., this thing crashes, we go to accept, continue. Oh, we are in a true loop. Yeah, he wants 2 blank lines. And then he starts it once more. Try it again until it crashes. If it doesn't crash, then this loop will be executed on and on with a delay of 1 hour. So you have posting something, liking something, follow someone. You can be creative at this one. And yeah, these are the questions you asked me. Hopefully you understand what I mean with this. Hopefully you like the video. And make sure to subscribe to the channel if you like my content, if you want to see more of bots. And the most important thing right now, I think this Instagram, we can have some more series with some other things we can do. But we have covered a wide range of things you can do on Instagram. If you're interested in other bots, other automation processes, because I think this is a cool topic, make sure to leave me a comment, for example, like Discord bots, etc., what you want to see. Then I will make some topic out of it, and you get the videos. Have a great day.